The National Economic Council is to set up a committee that will track the nation's oil exports and imports towards establishing accurate data on revenue generated from oil. Briefing State House correspondents after the meeting, the Akwa Ibom State Governor Godswill Akpabio said the committee is to be headed by the Petroleum Minister. Other members include the Accountant General of the Federation, Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, and some state governors. He also said the National Economic Council has resolved to work towards the early passage of the Petroleum Industry Bill and the new tax regime. The Council directed the Federal Inland Revenue Services to come up with a reliable structure for tax drive.
First, we noted that it would look like the absence of the PIB or lack of passage of the PIB had tended to stall investment in the oil sector. And we looked at the fact that the monthly productions were dwindling for various reasons. But we felt that if the Petroleum Industry Bill was passed, that this will go a long way to assist the oil companies to boost production. And in this case, Council advised that the Honorable Minister of Petroleum, Mrs. Disney Alison Madueke, should present a roadmap on the conclusion and finalization of the Petroleum Industry Bill, working with the relevant organs of the executive to ensure finality of this issue, and to present a final report to Mr. President, which will assist Mr. President in sending a bill urgently to the National Assembly. It's our view that the PIB should be brought to an end as soon as possible.